What's up guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances, bringing you another great video today. We're talking pork loin, but we're talking sous vide excellence on this guy. So I'm gonna take a little bit of cider, marinate it with a little bit of soy, and make these amazing pork loins. So I got 4 nice trimmed ones, guys. These are excellent. We're gonna put these right into our bag, then we're gonna add our marinade, and we're gonna seal this guy up nice and easy and take it to the sous vide. So now, guys, I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of soy. It'll give us that great color, nice acidity. Put it right in the bag. Then, 1/4 cup of regular cider, okay? All right, now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic just to give it some, a little earthiness, great body, all right? Boom. And then a little bit of honey to put it all together, okay? Fire a little bit of honey in here, full tablespoon, gang. Make sure you keep it nice and clean, just like I did. All right? Shake this up in the bag. We want to spread it out pretty nice and even, just so we get a great cook. Just like that. Perfect. Now, all we got to do is vacuum seal this guy, and we're going to sous vide this guy at 155, crew, and it's going to be about 30 minutes. About 25, 30 minutes, depending on how thick your steaks are, okay? All right, crew, sealed up, ready to roll. We're gonna take this guy right to the sous vide. All right, guys, let's set our steam oven up for sous vide. Yeah, I set it. Nice, great setting in the steam oven, so now we can sous vide. We're gonna do the pork. We're gonna do our marinated pork loins. Let's turn this guy on, make some magic. All right, rolling right down. We're gonna scroll down, right to sous vide. We'll hit okay. We got a refrigerated one, so we'll hit okay right here. Tell us to fill the water, which we already did, crew. Place the food on the wire shelf. Boom. All right, guys, our pork should be really good, ready to roll. It's been 45 minutes in the sous vide setting on the steam oven, so let's open this up. Love that effect, isn't it? Perfect. All right, so let's pull this guy out. Let's check our work here. Pork looks nice and tender. Great marinade on the side. So guys, normally in traditional recipes, we would take this, sear this, and serve this, but now we're gonna chill this overnight to really build the flavors, and then we're gonna add it to the dish tomorrow. So in the fridge it's gonna go. All right, guys, this pork rested overnight. All the juices, everything's gonna be together. We're gonna pan sear this on our induction cooktop. Add some of the honey, make some magic, serve it over a bed of greens. Let's jump right into this. All right, take our cryovac bag right here. Looks great. Just gonna open this up ever so gently. We wanna keep it nice and clean. Just check out our product here. Pork looks great, congealed very nicely, but look at that tenderness. That's what you get in sous vide. So guys, let's turn this on. Let's turn our induction on. Let's crank this guy up. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic in the pan right here. Just a touch, okay? And now, with all the juice and the flavor coated on these guys, we're gonna do a nice hot, dry sear on this. Our induction already ready to roll. I'm just gonna put these guys right down, all right? I'm just gonna put 3 in right now because we're gonna use the marinade, we're gonna use everything in here to get a nice sear on this and get some caramelization. Sous vide gives it that great flavor, it gives you that build, but the induction, the sugar, the salt, the soy, that's gonna help you achieve our finished product, okay? So now we're just gonna add about 3 tablespoons of just regular soy sauce right to this. So we got our garlic, we got our soy. We're gonna add a nice tablespoon of honey in here and kind of reduce it down very nicely, okay? And don't forget about this. Everybody tries to throw this out. This is that braising liquid. We're just gonna add a little bit of that in too, just to help it out. I mean, we got so much flavor packed in here. Can't waste it, guys. We're gonna reduce this down, crew, and the key to this is, we don't wanna move the pan. We don't wanna pick it up because then it won't get the reaction on the induction. Exactly what we want. Beautiful. Give it a nice quick turn. Did about 3 turns here, and now you can see just the great caramelization on here, the reduction of that. Look at the difference from the first to the last. This pork is glazed, ready to roll. and syrup. I love this. Get a little bit of that extra glaze on there. So this is an amazing sous vide pork loin with a little, Asian twist on it. A little bit of soy, a little bit of honey, a little bit of garlic, but so flavorful and bright. Great idea for you guys. Enjoy this one. I know I will, so.